शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन गाये गणपति जगवंदना सिद्धि सदन गजवदन विनायक कृपा सिंधु सुंदर सबनायक मोदक प्रिय मुद मंगलदाता गाये गणपति जगवंदना विद्यावारिधि बुद्धि विदाता मांगत तुलसी दस कर जोरी बस ही राम सिया मानस मोरे गाये गणपति जगवंदना गाये गणपति जगवंदना गाये गणपति जगवंदना.
Thank you so much. I now invite Chairman Emeritus and Chief Mentor PRCI, so Managing Editor, Mr. M.B. Jairam. Welcome.
Good morning, everyone. I am very happy today to be here with all esteemed guests. Dear Sri Lakshman Rao ji, Shivaji Kalsat ji, Dr. K. Venugopal, he is also our Senior Vice President, National Executive, and esteemed members of the Council and the press, esteemed members from the press, and our founder, National President Mr. Ruben, and Director Mr. R.T. Kumar, and Director Geeta Shankar, and our Chairman of the Chairperson of the Chapter Lata, and all our members, and Mr. Mohan, our member as well as the publisher of the book. I welcome all of you for this function. On behalf of Governing Council and National Executive, I welcome again you all for this inauguration of the publication wing and release our first professional book by the distinguished guests. I request Mr. Venugopal sir to give a bouquet to our esteemed guest, Mr. Kalsat.
Part of the
And Geeta Shankar to give a bouquet to Mr. Lakshman Rao. And Lata ji to give a bouquet to our Vice Chancellor, Mr. Venugopal. The objectives of any institution are to systematically analyze the relevant knowledge in its domain and codify it for understanding and disseminate among the students and practitioners of particular discipline. PRCI has spread its wings through length and breadth of the country and established networking with their counterparts abroad. On the organizational front, it has developed the necessary reach. It has also created right stimulus for effective participation in the PR movement by the practitioners and students aspiring to be the field of public relations, communications, journalism, and media-related subjects. There was, however, a missing link in the form of publications to meet the requirement of a stakeholder, especially students, that felt the need now is made good with this initiative to publish this book and a separate wing for this publications. A research journal, basically compilation of articles of topical interest with good documentation to provide reading and study materials to the practitioners and students in the field of communication. We are in the editorial board would like to bring at least 8 books in a year, the best of insight and PR discipline. We hope in course of time these publications would become a reader's delight and will be used for our future reference. Thank you for all of you to come here and grace the occasion, and I would request our MC to carry on.
Thank you so much, sir. I now request Mr. G.N. Mohan, who is also a member and associate editor and publisher of the book, to let us all know why PRCI in fact started this publication week in the first place.
So, dear all,
Thanks for the great opportunity Mr. Jairam has provided me. I always wonder who came first, whether it is M.V. Jairam or PRC. Okay, so I was the founding member in 1992 for the Mangalore and Udupi chapter. So now from there to here I travelled. So now I am with all the esteemed team of PRCA, and it is a proud moment for me to get the publication. So being of this. And so everybody's question is why publication wing is needed for PRCA, especially at this juncture of time, during this pandemic time. So answer is simple. If you go through any surveys, or if you make a study of how your family was in this pandemic 5 months, so then you will find the answer that it is OTT platforms and then the books. It is only two factors which really provided the positive energy at the negative moment when the country is facing the global phenomenon. So this is how the books provided the positive vibes, and I feel that books are always a kind of moral encouragement in any bad times. So that is why PRCA felt that books should be the fiber of its structure. And so this is a globalized society, and everybody knows that the reading habit is waning. So then again the question comes that why at this juncture when nobody is reading and when everybody is turning into television medium or visual medium, why the reading, again you are compelling the reading habit on them. So actually we feel that because of the technological advancement, everybody is provided with good lot of information. But we should be very clear, information is not knowledge. So we have to convert information into knowledge, and that is why PRCA felt its role is there in that point of time. PRCA is very particular that communication is completely developing, and its canvas is enlarging, and during this time, if there is no proper intervention, then communication may become a wrong notion to others. This is a time of fake news. This is a time of using the technology in a negative way. So if the proper professionals of the industry, like public relations and communications, if they don't intervene, then the negative side of the communication will happen. So that is why we all in the PRCA felt that we should intervene in this juncture of time, and the good books should take good messages, and not only that, it should give a clarity to the communication process. So I really thank Mr. S. Narendra, who is editor-in-chief of this editorial committee and the book, and the entire team of PRCA. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mohan.
Inauguration
Of the wing.
Inauguration of the week, yes. I request Mr. B.R. Lakshman Rao, renowned author and poet. In fact, I had the privilege of riding with him to this venue in the morning, so we spoke a lot about his achievements. So we'd like to inaugurate the logo of publication week, followed by the inauguration.
Madam, sir. Sorry, sir. Now, we will use the book. Yes, sir. Yes.
I request Mr. Shivaji
Yeah.
to Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The communication perspectives, the very first
Sir, one sec.
professional book by the publication
Sir,
team
sir,
of PRC.
sir, one sec. Sir, here.
Thank you so much, sir.
You will speak for 2 seconds. Very attentive.
So I'm very happy to participate in this function amid the challenging times and being a great author and poet. Lakshman Rao. Also our KSRTC chairman, MD, and our own founder, Shri M.B. Jairam, my close friend and classmate, G.N. Mohan. In fact, 36 years back, we were sitting in my room as a teacher, and he was there as a student of journalism and as a teacher of University Vishweshwaraya College of Engineering. Then we became classmates in journalism. So today, I'm very happy that we have released this book, Communication Perspectives. And my association with PRCI goes about 15 years back. And I was also the chairperson for this Bangalore chapter PRCI. I'm really happy today that PRCI has crossed another milestone of bringing a regular journal under the title Communication Perspectives. For want of time and had been another program, therefore my presidential remarks is the beginning of this program. Instead of being at the end of the program. The remarks, I know experts are there, they will talk, and I am very happy that my article is also there in this first inaugural journal. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to be an author. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to release this book along with the great authors and administrators. And I wish you all the best. It is very difficult to sustain a journal. And I hope PRCI will sustain it at least for 10 years. I will not go beyond because 10 years we might not have this type of journals. We might have online, which is very popular. We might have instant journal. You just write an article, it will be sent to you. All this type of technologies are going to come and we are really going to enjoy, and I hope this will be a fruitful one and it's a good beginning. Thank you, Ananda.
Thank you, sir. Your words are always refreshing for us to hear. Thank you so much for being here. And now request Mrs. Geeta Shankar to talk about the book for all of us.
Good morning all of you, distinguished guests, my lovable PRCNs who are all here, and the audience. Thank you so much for your presence today for this, again another milestone in the Public Relations Council of India. The journey of PRCA publication is not new, but this is a modest beginning when our creative genius, Mr. M.B. Jairam, wanted India-specific case studies and research materials and articles to be written by the talented professionals within Public Relations Council of India with a vast experience in different domains. Next step is, like, he sets deadline for everything and tirelessly pursuing the authors to send in their contributions. It was also observed that the market drew from many foreign sources. Okay, any reference material or anything, we were always referring from foreign books, and then which was less relevant in our Indian scenario. So we wanted to be a one-stop knowledge powerhouse with a motto, communication for a better world, and hence came out the communication perspectives. I'm not going to dwell in detail because previous people who have spoken like Mohan and Venu, everybody, and even our chairman emeritus have spoken as to why we brought this book. But on the whole, this communication perspectives contains a lot of articles where different professionals have drawn in their experience here. Bish Mukherjee, he's written something on article on Beyond 2021. He is our communicator and IABC fellow and a journalist in Australia. He focuses on the organizational behavior and internal and external communication past COVID. He's analyzed it in his article. The next is ambit of work. This is Jitendra Bhargav, again another PRCN. He has written on extend the ambit of work. He tells the young aspirants that professional recognition and career rewards align themselves to the executives. He was with Air India and is one of our senior PRCIN. And myself, Geeta Shankar, I took a very easy topic which I used to write during my studies, like communication, whether it is an art or science, a compulsory question which used to come in history, economics, political science. So I developed into the art of storytelling from dry facts for making a difference. And then Nurul Laskar, who's again a PRCN, who heads our chapter, PRCA chapter. He has an article on culture and identity, related communication barriers which are generally not considered while planning communication campaigns. And Professor Nagaraj draws attention to the importance of recognizing the culture of a particular market in which a global brand has to successfully compete. He, with his 40 years of experience, has drawn a lot of inspiration into his article. Dr. B.K. Ravi with Bangalore University and his colleague, they have contributed a well-researched article on how OTT platforms like the Netflix have changed the entertainment consumption patterns and the Indian entertainment market assumptions. And then R.K. Kumar, who always prefers, who very creative, okay, and tries to wear different caps on different occasions. He has written like out of the box thinking. He says if one wants to be creative, no idea should be treated as out of court. So he says another RTism, removing any image of a box from your mind if you want to be out of the box. And of course, Dr. Venugopal, the Vice Chancellor of Bangalore University, questions the media and communication pedagogy in the digital age. And Narendra, the role of circumspection and silence in PR-related communication forms, he's written it. And MB Jairam has given an intro as to the journey of Public Relations Council of India, and he's written it quite well. And I would say the PRCA's intellectual journey has begun, and we have miles and miles to go. Our sincere hope is that this volume will appeal to the media and communication professionals and to the youth who want to enter into this profession. Thank you so much. You would like to add something? Yes.
Sorry. One of the authors is here, Mr. Ati Kumar. He is our founder director. Mr. Ati, just because of your helmet, rather. Yeah, he is the founder director and he is one of the authors. He is the CEO of our communication, Oysters Communications, and he is very well known. He is an actor also. He acts in so many films. And our editor-in-chief, I would like, unfortunately, he could not make it today because he stays in Delhi. He was the former 5 Prime Minister's aide. He was the PIO of the Government of India and press advisor to the five Prime Ministers. Now he is retired and he has settled in Delhi. He is a Mysorean. So this is what I thought, let me tell you for the audience, our esteemed journalists. Thank you.
Over to you, Mr. Ati.
Ati, you want to say a few words, please?
Yeah, thank you very much for this opportunity, and I wish the chief guest thank you very much for gracing this occasion in spite of the COVID. Mohan had an interesting observation. He said he would like to know which came first, The day you find an answer to whether the chicken came first or the egg came first.
I settled
You have found your answer.
with the answer that PRC and Jairam is two sides of a coin, and I settled here.
Okay, there's a saying now which is going around saying never miss a crisis. I think PRCI has taken full advantage of this saying, and it is during the last 8 months that we have seen so much of activity of PRCI. My heartiest congratulations to all.
87 webinars we have done.
Yes, the number of chapters that we have started, the kind of professional webinars that we have held, the kind of speakers that we have had in webinars. I think we have really turned this crisis to our advantage. Although I think we must all stay warned that once normalcy returns, we should look at more activities which are really brick and mortar model. And I'm sure this enthusiasm will continue. I am really grateful that I got to be part of this book, and I've made an attempt to write a few words, thoughts of mine. I hope you will enjoy reading it as much as you enjoy reading the other articles. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Really appreciate it. May I now request Mr. B.R. Lakshman Rao, our chief guest, renowned author. In fact, I must say the amount of published works over the last few decades have been thrilling, because I got the opportunity of getting into more depth as to what he's written so far. He was cordial enough to let me know about it, and a lot of collection of poems, selected poems, songs, mini poems, a lot of achievements. In fact, I must mention a few of them. In fact, right from winning the Karnataka Sahitya Academy Prize for Poetry, from there it started. It went on to Karnataka Rajyotsava Prashasti in 2010, and Dr. Putina Kavya Puraskara, then Dr. Masti Prashasti. The list is long. In fact, I'd like to also, he was made the president of Kolar District Sahitya Sammelana in 2006, if I'm correct, sir. So I'd like to invite him to say a few words on behalf of PRC. Over to you, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ಬಹುಶಃ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರು ಆದರೂ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಅವರೇ ಬೈಕೊಳ್ಳೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ಈ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ. ನನಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾನೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಜಯರಾಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೋಹನ್ ಭಾಳ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಮಿತ್ರರು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮೋಹನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ಜಯರಾಮ್ ಏನು ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬ ಆಥರ್, ಕವಿ, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮಿಟೆಡ್ ದಿ ಕ್ರೈಮ್, ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ಗೆ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಈ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಕಾಶನ ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕರೆದಿದ್ರು. ಬಂದೆ. ನಾನಿನ್ನು ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರಾದರು. ಸೊ ಬಹುಶಃ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕರೆದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗಲೇ, ಸೊ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯವೂ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ನೇ, ಬಹುಶಃ ಅದೇ ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೊ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇದೆ ಈ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ನನಗೂ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಮೋಹನ್ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಸೊ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಅದು ಮಾಹಿತಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಸೊ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಪ್ರಕಾಶನದ ಒಂದು ಅಂಗಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಅದು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಮೋಹನ್ ಇರೋದರಿಂದ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮೋಹನ್ ಇರೋ ತನಕ ಅಂತ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ನಡೀತದೆ. ಸೊ ಮೋಹನ್ 10 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಮತ್ತು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಭಾಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ, ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್, ಭಾಷೆ. ನನ್ನದೇ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯ ಇದೆ, ಅಕ್ಷರವೆಂಬುದು ಅಲ್ಲಾದೀನನ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಮಾಯಾದೀಪ. ಅಕ್ಷರವೆಂಬುದು ಅಲ್ಲಾದೀನನ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಮಾಯಾದೀಪ, ಅದು ವಶವಾದರೆ ನಿನಗೆ ನೀಡುವುದು ಹೊಸ ಜೀವನ, ಹೊಸ ರೂಪ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಅದು. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ವಶ ಆದರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಭಾಷೆ ಇದೆ, ಸಂವಹನ ಅದು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಆವಾಗ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಬಹಳ ರೈಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮೋಹನ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಜೈರಾಮ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಭಾಳ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದು ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಅಂತೂ ನನಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಈ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಈ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹದಗೆಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನ್ನದೊಂದು ಹಾಡಿದೆ. ಆ ಹಾಡನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಕರೆಸಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಗೀತದಿಂದ ಶುರುವಾಗಿದೆ. ರಮ್ಯಾ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಯಾರು ಈ ಪರಿಚಿತರು ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟು ವಾರ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪರಿಚಿತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೊ ಇದು ನನಗಿವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಬಯಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಪರಿಚಯ ಆಯ್ತು, ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಸಂಗೀತ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥವರಾದ್ದರಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಹಾಡನ್ನು ಮೋಹನ್ ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದ ಹಾಡು, ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಭಾಳ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದ ಹಾಡಿದೆ. 2 ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಬಳಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ದೇವರೇ ಅಗಾಧ ನಿನ್ನ ಕರುಣೆಯ ಕಡಲು, ನನಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಅದರ ಆಳವಳೆಯಲು. ದೇವರೇ ಅಗಾಧ ನಿನ್ನ ಕರುಣೆಯ ಕಡಲು, ನನಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಅದರ ಆಳವಳೆಯಲು. ತೋಳಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಕುರಿಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಸಿಂಹಕ್ಕೆಂದು ಜಿಂಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟೆ, ನರನಿಗೆ ನರನನ್ನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಬೇಟೆಯಾಡಲು. ನರನಿಗೆ ನರನನ್ನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಬೇಟೆಯಾಡಲು. ತೋಳಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಕುರಿಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಸಿಂಹಕ್ಕೆಂದು ಜಿಂಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟೆ, ನರನಿಗೆ ನರನನ್ನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಬೇಟೆಯಾಡಲು. ನರನಿಗೆ ನರನನ್ನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಬೇಟೆಯಾಡಲು. ತುಳಿತಕ್ಕೆ ನೀ ತಿಮಿರು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ದುಡಿತಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀ ಬೆಮರು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಕವಿಗೆ ನುಡಿಯ ಢಮರು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಬಡಿದು ದಣಿಯಲು. ಕವಿಗೆ ನುಡಿಯ ಢಮರು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಬಡಿದು ದಣಿಯಲು. ದೇವರು ಅಗಾಧ ನಿನ್ನ ಕರುಣೆಯ ಕಡಲು, ನನಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಅದರ ಆಳವಳೆಯಲು. ನರನಿಗೆಂದೆ ನಗೆಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ನಗೆಯೊಳು ಹಲ ಬಗೆಯ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ, 100 ನೋವ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಒಂದು ನಗೆಯ ಕಾಡಲು. 100 ನೋವ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಒಂದು ನಗೆಯ ಕಾಡಲು. ನರನಿಗೆಂದೆ ನಗೆಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ನಗೆಯೊಳು ಹಲ ಬಗೆಯ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ, 100 ನೋವ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಒಂದು ನಗೆಯ ಕಾಡಲು. 100 ನೋವ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಒಂದು ನಗೆಯ ಕಾಡಲು. ಏರಲೊಂದು ಏಣಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಕತ್ತಲೆಂದು ಹಾವನಿಟ್ಟೆ, ನೆರಳಿನಂತೆ ಸಾವ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಂಚಿ ಕೆಡವಲು. ನೆರಳಿನಂತೆ ಸಾವ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಂಚಿ ಕೆಡವಲು. ದೇವರೇ ಅಗಾಧ ನಿನ್ನ ಕರುಣೆಯ ಕಡಲು, ನನಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಅದರ ಆಳವಳೆಯಲು. ನರನಿಗೆಂದೆ ತಾಮಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬಲವ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ರಾಜಸಕ್ಕೆ ಫಲವ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಸತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಷಂಡತ್ವ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ತತ್ವ ಗುಣಗಳು. ಸತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಷಂಡತ್ವ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ತತ್ವ ಗುಣಗಳು. ತಾಮಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬಲವ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ರಾಜಸಕ್ಕೆ ಫಲವ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಸತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಷಂಡತ್ವ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ತತ್ವ ಗುಣಗಳು. ಸತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಷಂಡತ್ವ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ತತ್ವ ಗುಣಗಳು. ಕೈಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕೆಡವಲೆಂದು, ಕಾಲು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಎಡವಲೆಂದು, ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನೇ ಅಲ್ಲಗಳೆಯಲು. ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನೇ ಅಲ್ಲಗಳೆಯಲು. ದೇವರೇ ಅಗಾಧ ನಿನ್ನ ಕರುಣೆಯ ಕಡಲು, ನನಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಅದರ ಆಳವಳೆಯಲು. ನನಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಅದರ ಆಳವಳೆಯಲು. ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್? ದೇವರೇ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ದೇವರನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಥ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್, ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋಂಥ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹಾರೈಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಾಡು ಕೇಳಿ ಒಂದೇ ವರ್ಡ್ ನನ್ನ ತಲೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ರೋಮಾಂಚನ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ raising the occasion. I also now invite our other guest, Mr. Shivayogi C. Kalsar, IAS, Managing Director, KSRTC. He is currently the Managing Director of Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation, the pioneer of Road Transport Corporation in India. He is presently serving 3 million commuters. ಹೌದು, ನಮ್ಮ KSRTC ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. Serving 3 million commuters with 8,700 buses, rural and urban areas, and earning 19 million on an average daily revenues. So, and Mr. Kalsar is IAS experienced administrator who has an expertise of nearly 25 years service in the government with earlier assignments such as Secretary to Honorable Chief Minister, Secretary Transport, Chairman of KSRTC, BMTC, NWKS, KRTC and NEKRTC. He has also served as Vice President of ASRTU during 2018 and 19. And apart from being an able administrator, IAS officer, he also is a distinguished academic record with BTech from National Institute of Technology, NIT Surathkal, also an executive MBA from Oxford University and University of Warwick, UK. Sir, over to you. Thank you so much for gracing this occasion. A few words from you, sir.
ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅವರ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನು ಲೋಕಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣರಾವ್ ಈಗ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಖ್ಯಾತ ಕವಿಗಳು ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣರಾಯರು ತಮ್ಮ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯದ ಮೂಲಕ ಮತ್ತು ಗಾನದ ಮೂಲಕ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ರಂಜಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷೀಯ ಭಾಷಣ ಮೊದಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್ರವರು ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತನಾಡಿ ನಿರ್ಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆತ್ಮೀಯರಾದಂಥ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಜಯರಾಮ್ ಅವರು ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಎಮೆರಿಟಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಚೀಫ್ ಮೆಂಟರ್ PRCI, ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಕರೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಲತಾ KSRTCಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇರ್ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ಅವರ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಕರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯಾಧಿಗಣ್ಯರು ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಣೆ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಕರೆದಾಗಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ಪಾತ್ರ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಮಗೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಚರಣೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದತ್ತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಬಂದುಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡೋರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಭಾಷಣಕಾರರು ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಭಾಷಣ ಅಂತೂ ಖಂಡಿತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾತ್ರ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಫೋಟೋ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದಾಗಿ ಕೂಡ ಭಾಳ ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಳೆದ 6-8 ತಿಂಗಳು ಈ ಸಂದಿಗ್ಧ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ PRCI ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ taken a good opportunity in this disaster.
Yes.
It's a disaster management, very well managed. ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ತಾವು ರೂಪಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಸಂವಹನ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ಲೋಕಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಲವಾರು ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಯಿಂದ ಬರೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಶಾಂತಿ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. 10 ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಬರಹಗಾರರಿಂದ ತಾವು ಹಲವು ಲೇಖನಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ಬರೆಸಿದ್ರು. ಭಾಳ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಮೂಡಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಓದಿ ಬಹುಶಃ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಲತಾ ಅವರು ಒಂದು 2 ಪೇಜ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಈ ಥರ ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳೋದೇನು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ತೋಚಿತ್ತು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಿಳಂಬ ಆಯಿತು, ಒಂದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ವಿಳಂಬ ಆಯಿತು. 11:05 ಬರುವಾಗ ನಾನು ಜಯನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ವಯಾ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕ್ಲಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಮೂಗು ಬಾಯಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೈಗೆ ಟೆಂಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ಒಳಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಸೆಂಚುರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕ್ಲಬ್ಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೆಂಚುರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಗೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂಬೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೋನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹಳೆಯ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬು. ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತೀಯರಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಕಾಶನೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಭಾರತೀಯರಿಗೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್. ಅಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಬ್ಬ ವಿನ್ಸ್ಟನ್ ಚರ್ಚಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋನು ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಡಿದು ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಾಲ್ಗಾರನಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಲ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಾಲ್ಗಾರಾಗಿದ್ದೆ ಕಣಯ್ಯ ನೀನು ಅಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಿವಾನರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರನವರು ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ 3 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕ್ಲಬ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೈಸೂರು ಪೇಟೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲಾವಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ನು ಯಾವನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನಂತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಪಾಪ ಅವರು. ಮೈಸೂರು ರಾಜ್ಯದ ದಿವಾನರು ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಅವತ್ತೇ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಜ್ಞೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲದ ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ನಾಲ್ವಡಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣರಾಜ ಒಡೆಯರ್ ಅವರ ಸಮ್ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಬ್ಬನ್ ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ 7.5 ಎಕರೆ ಜಮೀನನ್ನು ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡು 100 ಜನ ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲದ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಜನರಿಂದ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅವರ ಮೂಲಕ ಈ ಸೆಂಚುರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 1917 ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ 103 ವರ್ಷ. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಈ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೌಂಡರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಂಚುರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್. ಸೊ ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕ್ಲಬ್ಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಂಚುರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಗೂ ಆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ನಾನೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ಪರ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್, ಲೋಕಲ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್, ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡುವ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಬಹುಶಃ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಭಿನ್ನವಾಗ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಿಟಿಕಲಿ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ಸ್ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. I think we miss a lot in terms of communicating our desired objectives and goals, especially in an organization like ours. That is, we are in the public domain. ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ನಾನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ರೋಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನಿತರ 3 ಸಮೂಹ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸುಮಾರು 25,000 ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಬಸ್ಗಳು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ 1 ಕೋಟಿ ಜನರು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 4 ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ನಾನು ಸೇರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ಅದು 4 ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ನಾನು ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 1 ಕೋಟಿ ಜನ ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 1,30,30,000 ಜನ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸುಮಾರು 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕುಟುಂಬಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಮೂಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಸಂವಹನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ effective in communicating our strategy, our objective and our goal. ಇವತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಳೆದ 6 ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಮುಳುಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಸ್, ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹೌ ಡು ವಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ರಾಬಲಿ ಸೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ ದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಹುಶಃ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲಿಸಮ್ ತಾವೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಬದ್ಧತೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿಗೆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಶೋ ಅವರ್ ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಟುಡೇ the public relation has undergone a huge change. Paradigm shift probably has come. ಹಲವಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಈಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಹಲವರು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಪೇಪರನ್ನು ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡಿಯುತ್ತಾ ಓದ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಈಗಲೂ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಡೈಲಿ ರಿಚುವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಈಗ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್, ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಮೆಸೇಜಿಂಗ್, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್. ನೋಬಡಿ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ವೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯೆಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. But still we have a set of people who are still like the concept of reading the newspaper from top to bottom, ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ, ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ, ಎಡಿಟೋರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಓದ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಆ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಇಸ್ lost upon them. There is yet another culture where they would like to have news today for tomorrow's news. ನಾಳೆ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಶುರು ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಯಾವುದು ತಾವು ಇವತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ, ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಸಮೂಹದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. of the TRPs creating a havoc in the system, good or bad, whatever it is. So ಈ ಥರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ greater challenges are there. The expectations are much more. The clients, it is not necessarily the reading clients. Communication really, it could be a verbal or non-verbal, it could be visual or so many other things of strategies of communication ಇರ್ಬೋದು. Likewise public relations ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ಹೌ ಇವನ್ ದ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ, ಹೌ ಡು ವಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ. ಮೆನಿ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಲಿಸೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ are not properly communicated, maybe because of improper dissemination of the information down to the grassroots or to the last person we as it may be. So ಹೀಗಾಗಿ we have a separate department of information and communication. ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಬಟ್ ಹಿಂದಿನೂ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ವಾರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾಜಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ದಿ ಗೊಬೆಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳಿನ ಕಂತೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ಅದೇ ಸತ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಗೊಬೆಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಪಗ್ಯಾಂಡಾ ಥಿಯರಿ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಚ್ ಫೇಕ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಸಚ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ these kind of communication we need to have a responsible communication network ಅನ್ನೋದು ಭಾಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೂರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Today it's not just a society, not just the government, even in our own family. I think the COVID responses has become such more dynamic and challenging. Within our own family, the family members do not speak to each other. Communication is probably broken down. On a dining table, child will be speaking. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಗಳು, ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಮೊಬೈಲಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವೈರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ಕಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ, they'll be talking to someone else, but then we are interacting with these people. So these kind of new innovations ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದಾಗಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಆವಿಷ್ಕಾರಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡಿದ್ರು. ದೇವರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೌ ಡು ವಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಗಾಡ್? Maybe prayer could be one thing, silence could be another thing. So pray in silence maybe, or maybe ಹಾಡು ಮೂಲಕ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯರಾಗೋದು. ಭಕ್ತ ಕನಕದಾಸರ ಮೂಲಕ ಹೇಗೆ ಕನಕನ ಕಿಂಡಿನೇ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಯಿತು ಅನ್ನೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಕುಡ್ ಬಿ ಮೆನಿ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್ who is the source of information, finally who is the receiver of information, what is the channel of information. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ PR exercise ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. The young students, I'm sure they will have a lot to learn and pick up from this PRs here. The profession of PR definitely has undergone a lot of changes over the years, and the new challenges will definitely give a lot of opportunities for the young entrepreneurs or the young students who are there. And I'm sure PRCA coming up with such professional handbooks and talks over the period of last few months. Also conducting, I'm sure, more than 60-70 odd webinars ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಅವು ಮೂಲಕ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ತಲುಪಬೇಕಾದವರಿಗೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಲುಪಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹಾರೈಸುತ್ತಾ, ಇಂಥ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸಿ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಮಯ ಕಳೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಜಯರಾಮ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ವಂದಿಸಿ, ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಇಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರಿಗೆ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತವಾದ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳಿ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿ. ಗೀತಾ ಯಾವ
ಆಂಟಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ತೆಗಿಯಪ್ಪ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ತೆಗಿ ತೆಗಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋ.
Sir, also a request to Renuka chapter head of the diaries to
ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಪುನಃ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಬೇಜಾರು. ಅವರ MD has raised some questions. Some questions here. Due to the shortage of time, I could not say that. ಇನ್ನೂ ನನಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿದೆ. I think April 3rd, 2004, that time I was the general manager. He was my colleague because we were in the same power sector. He was in Rescom, if I am right.
I was in KPTC, Jayaraj
was our boss, all of us. So that time it was, we have decided to start this organization. Of course, I was the national president of PRSI also. We wanted to have a separate unit for professionals only. That's where we thought we will start. Mr. Jayakumar, he was working for SPIC on that time. He is actually Bangalore, Tulkur, right? Bangalore.
Chikmagalur.
Chikmagalur, and he was working for PIC. He, Mr. R.D. Kumar, Mr. Ruben, we all sat together, decided to start this Public Relations Council of India exactly 16 years back. We never thought that we'll raise to this height. Now we have 38 chapters across the country, and we have 4 chapters in Bangladesh, Nepal, Dubai and Sri Lanka, and soon we are going to have few chapters in Singapore, Australia and London and Bhutan, sir. Because of the COVID one of the Bangla too, we have started on virtual through webinar. That was the thing. And there are more than 5 chapters we are in the state also, somewhere in north. So we are spread across the country, sir. That is, I am proud to say this. And not only this, we have separate wings for each and every department, because education we have separate wing and training we have separate wing. Like that, the next move is training program for non-professionals and students. We have got 12 months course, 3 months course and a crash course in public relations. Some of the things, for example, I am telling you, some of the MDs, there will be not any PROs there. Immediately he has to go to the press. He may not be knowing how to write the press. Skill writing. That also we wanted to teach the non-professionals. So our ladies here, she is a journalist. In fact, she was working for the Indian Express earlier. She is the secretary for that wing. Mr. B.K. Ravi, who was a former vice registrar of Bangalore University, he has there are 11 professors who are working for that. That course will start immediately in November, a crash course. I think first we take only 100 members, we can't take more than that. It is all India based. That's how it is. It is one more social cost. That also we do. Some of the we help the government in a different way. Wherever possible, we will help them in reaching public by our proper communication. Mr. Ravi, you can talk about that for 1 minute, please.
Thank you so much, sir, and good afternoon, everyone. Of course, this is an opportunity to announce, and this is a wonderful platform to announce the launch of our upcoming program, which is another feather in the cap for PRCI, and as Geeta ma'am mentioned, into our journey of intellectual property, creating intellectual properties. And this is a PRCI initiative which is being launched. The launch date is 23rd of November. The campaign for that will start from 1st of November, and the registration process will start on 9th of November. And it will be a 6 days crash course. It is a pilot run, first one, and then we will of course eventually be increasing the duration of the courses depending upon the response. The registration fees is 500, and we are right now open to as number of registrations. The course is about writing for media, which is for print, electronic and digital, which is again like a very important aspect of this, and it is, as sir mentioned, it is both for professionals and non-professionals, and at the same time for students. Thank you so much for everyone for this opportunity.
Not only
the online courses,
online courses. Now, then later we will. Not only that, sir, we have a students wing, young communicators. She has that because whatever you read, that's only there is no practical theoretical. So we have a separate wing. We make their young generation to the next thing. She will talk about that 2 minutes, and not only that, we recognize outside people also. Like Chanakya Awards. Every year we recognize the one who has done his best. Either he may be a corporate, he may be a merchant, whoever may be. We take it from all our chapters, and then our judges will judge, and we will give the Chanakya Award. Even for PR professionals, we have another award, Hall of Fame, like cricket, you entering into Hall of Fame. Like that, we have it is an ultimate award for PR professionals, those who have served more than 25 years. We will give that award for them, Hall of Fame in PR. Like that, other awards are also there. We have given that book, Chanakya Magazine. That is our popular magazine, which is edited by Mr. R.T. Kumar from this chapter onwards, and Kautilya for students. The contributors are only our members. They contribute for this magazine. So it is also very popularly known in all our chapters. They contribute for this. Any other? You tell us about WCC and YCC. Geeta will tell you about WCC and YCC.
Okay.
Yeah, it's coming in the next month.
Yeah, WCC is World Communicators Council. Just as our Public Relation Council of India caters to the PR professionals, advertising professionals and the academicians within India, WCC is the World Communicators Council, because when we open chapters, like India is not there, and so as a World Communicators Council, we have open chapters, as he said, in Sri Lanka, in Dubai, in Nepal, and Bangladesh. Yes, and then we have our scope to extend much to other countries also. The Young Communicators Club is the student arm of Public Relation Council of India, where we cater to the UG and the PG students doing their media, public relations, advertising. We start chapters in colleges. In different colleges, we start chapters, and then we have faculty coordinators and student coordinators who run this club, and we don't even charge them. In fact, it develops the leadership attitude of the students, and they start contributing articles to the Kautilya magazine, which is a magazine for the youth. And this we offer a lot of training sessions for the students in media. How do you write a press note? How do you interact? And then more of branding and all this we teach the students. Workshops are held, which is taken by all the professionals from public relations. And we also try to bridge the gap between academics and corporate. So we are doing lots of activities through Young Communicators Club. This sums up everything about WCC and Young Communicators.
Sorry,
Thank you.
I forgot one thing. This book was dedicated to our ex-directors who were supportive. Dr. K.R. Singh was the managing director and he was in Hindustan Times as the editor. He died about 2 years back. Dr. K.R. Singh. And Mr. N.D. Rajpal, he was in Alembic, he was the director of public relations. And then Mr. R. Sudarshan, he was the chief PR of ITI, sir. He also died recently. And few days back, we lost Mr. Jayant Chenji. He was in ING Vaishya. We lost him recently. They were all our directors. They have contributed to a lot of things for PRCA. We remember them during this time and let their soul rest in peace.
Thank you so much, sir. With your permission, PRCA would like to extend gratitude towards the guests.
Yes. It's a small token of love and appreciation.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Shiv, for being here. May I now invite Mrs. Chinmay, Executive Committee member, chapter.
She is one of our great, she has got her own event management team, and I want to tell about Nikhil also, sir. He is our permanent MC and brand ambassador to all our functions, and where is she? She has gone. Ramya, they are all our part of the team, and she is going to become the CEO of our YCC team under her guidance. Going to take soon all India. Because we have more than 30 plus chapters all across the country. Students are more familiar with our group and they are educating them. Ramchandra, you know, sir, he was the Chief General Manager of Canara Bank, recently retired. He is also one of the directors of our award committee.
Thank you one and all here for choosing us to be with us on this warm and graceful morning. My special thanks on behalf of PRCA to the Honorable Respected Esteemed Guest, Mr. B.R. Lakshman Rao, renowned author. Thank you, sir. Mr. Shivyogi Kalsar, Managing Director, KSRTC. Thank you, sir. And Dr. K.R. Venugopal, Vice Chancellor, Bangalore University. And my heartfelt thanks for the Public Relations Council of India Fraternity, Mr. M.B. Jairam, Chairman Emeritus and Chief Mentor, PRCI, S. Narendran, G.N. Mohan Sir, Jaiprakash Rao Sir, T. Vinay Kumar Sir, R.T. Kumar Sir, Dr. Lata Madam, and Geeta Shankar Madam.
Mr. Ruben.
Mr. Ruben.
Jay Kumar has come.
Yeah, she said.
Yes. And today the wonderful the opening of the book launch. The book is a building bridge to interact within ourselves and the outer world. The communication perspective, which gives the special dimension within us to build a special attitude and attitudes towards ourselves. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಟೇಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನ ಕಲಿಸೋದನ್ನ ಓದೋದನ್ನ ನಿಲ್ಸೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಂತಹ ಅಭೂತಪೂರ್ವ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಾವು ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಪೆನ್ ಹಿಡಿದಿರೋಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಶಕ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
I want to say a few words about our Bangalore chapter members. There are so many members. He is our Vice Chairman, Mr. Venukanand. Beeta is there, and then Mr. M.M. Dev is there. Then Swami is there. Swami is known to everyone because he was in Kidwai and very famous man there. And Srija from our publishing team, he is the partner of Mr. Mohan. And Prashant, Professor Mr. Prashant, he is also YCC head. One was Ramakrishna is there, and Mr. Ramesh Bagod is there, and our Mr. My son Saurabh Jairam is also one of the he's outside.
Oh, he's a social media
activist
and part of Young Communicators Club.
And then Mr. Anil Keshwan, he is our permanent event manager. He does a lot of jobs.
That's Anil, and that is Saurabh Jairam.
Yeah.
Hands up.
Saurabh Jairam is there, and Anil is here. They're all our scholars. We have a very good team. It's like, earlier Yakshagana team, with the lorry we used to go. Wherever it is in Jaipur, it is in Pune, it is in Delhi. All of us go together and we do it. What Ruben, what you say? This is how we teamwork. We believe in teamwork. That is our strength. Now we have gone to that extent. From Guwahati we get a call. Because of this pandemic problem, we are not going. Otherwise, we would have done a lot of other work seminars also. I forgot one thing. We have a global communication conference. We have had 14 global conferences so far. Last global communication conference, we had it in Bangalore. The reason is it was supposed to be held in Kochi. There this problem started. Then we thought there were only 14 days left. Then immediately we shifted it to Bangalore. In fact, that time the public problem was there. We had people from Bangladesh, Germany, Singapore, everywhere, about 40 plus people from outside. After that, I went to Bhaskar Rao sir, any problem, because 6th and 7th was our program, March. 8th, the government India brought all restrictions, no more seminars, no more. And I was waiting for my call to come from fortunately, our Minister of Home Minister was also our guest, and Commissioner also was our guest.
You're well
They said, nothing to worry, you will not be caught. My problem was not that. If they call how to get these Germans there, because we don't know what kind of this thing was spreading all over. So we are saved. But next time we are thinking of having it either in Bangalore or Goa. If everything goes well, I'm sure that you will also be there. And I forgot to tell you, your organization has got twice best company of the year, and she has also got best award. She has also got the award. It is purely under your merits. Our judges headed by Mr. Ramchandra, they will go through every aspect and they will the judges are from various other places, not from Bangalore. This is what we do. Sorry,
Alright, so PRCA would like to extend hearty thanks to the entire media fraternity for making it.
One more, Mr. Ramesh, who signed for us today, he is a member here. And he was my colleague, he was the chief engineer at KPC.
So we'd like to extend our thanks to Mr. Ramesh as well. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for making and gracing this occasion for the official first professional book release, Communication Perspectives. We also thank our esteemed guests once again. Thank you so much for making the time for us. Thank you one and all.
Thank you. Thank you, Nikhil. Thank you so much for hosting the show.
Sorry, thank you.
Right.